Hey, this is Brad Gill at NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome to another Lifestyles listing. Today I'm really excited to be showing you guys this recently updated single-family home boasting a very convenient location within the city of Santa Clara. Welcome home to 2107 Main Street, offering 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 985 square feet of interior living space, as well as an attached single-car garage and a sizable 6,053 square foot lot. Entering through the front door, guests will be greeted by a large living room featuring newly installed laminate flooring and tall ceiling, as well as access to the spacious kitchen and dining nook. The kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances including a gas stove, and tile flooring. All the bedrooms are located away from the main living area and feature newly installed plush carpeting. The hall bathroom has also been recently updated and features a shower over bathtub. Take your indoors outdoors and enjoy the expansive backyard, boasting a spacious patio and mature landscaping. This home also boasts an ideal location in Santa Clara, within just minutes from major freeway access, community centers, local parks, as well as top Silicon Valley employers such as Apple, Cisco, Oracle, NVIDIA, and many more. Plus, residents are within walking distance of multiple restaurants, coffee shops, and convenience stores, minutes to light rail or CalTrain access, and within close proximity of several community hotspots including the new Levi's Stadium, home to the San Francisco 49ers, as well as the family fun Great America theme park. It's been a real pleasure showing you around this wonderful home today. I'm Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to come see it in person. Thank you so much for watching. Find your next home today exclusively at 2107 Main Street in Santa Clara.